Are you tired of overpacking or not knowing what to wear on your dream vacation? Have you ever found yourself staring at your suitcase, frustrated and overwhelmed? Well, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the ultimate vacation wardrobe that perfectly balances style and comfort, ensuring you're always ready for every part of your trip. Stripe maxi dress. Imagine a beachside dinner in a knitted striped beach maxi dress paired with a tote bag, flat sandals, and chic sunglasses. Effortlessly elegant and perfect for relaxation. Tropical linen set. For those tropical vibes, a linen shirt and matching pants over a bikini, complete with a white bag and sandals. Perfect for exploring or lounging in style. Bikini top plus flowy skirt, elevate your beach style with a black bikini top and flowy skirts. Add a tote bag, sandals, a hat, and sunglasses for a sophisticated laid-back ensemble. Top and maxi skirt. Pair a simple tank cami with a maxi skirt. Add a straw bag and flip-flops for a laid-back stylish outfit, perfect for warm sunny days. Beach shirt and trousers. A blue beach shirt and matching trousers paired with a white bikini top, raffia bag, sandals, and sunglasses for a chic beach or poolside look. Bikini and crepe sarong, sleek and elegant, a black bikini set with a black crepe sarong, tote bag, and sunglasses for a polished poolside or beach outfit. Broderie mini shirt dress. This broderie mini shirt dress with a straw hat and straw shoulder bag is charmingly stylish. Open-toe mules complete the look for sunny days exploring new places. Linen shirt and beach skirt. A linen shirt over a bikini set with a beach skirt, tote bag, flip-flops, and sunglasses for a versatile and stylish beach outfit. White ribbed maxi dress. A white ribbed maxi dress paired with a shoulder bag, sandals, and sunglasses for both daytime outings and evening gatherings. White shirt and striped blue set, clean and polished. A white shirt and striped blue set, accessorized with a black bag, black flats, and sunglasses for a sophisticated, put-together outfit. Blue bikini and mesh skirt. This blue bikini set with a mesh beach skirt is eye-catching and stylish, perfect for lounging or swimming. Beach shirt and denim shorts. A beach shirt and denim shorts paired with a shoulder bag and sunglasses for a casual day of exploring or relaxing by the shore. Cover-up with bikini and sandals. Neutral swimsuits with a crochet cover-up transition seamlessly from the beach to the resort. Cover-up with bathing suit and a hat. A billowy cover-up paired with a lampshade-shaped bucket hat for stylish sun protection after a day at the beach. Bikini with pants and sandals, a chic combination of swimsuit and cover-up. Complete with summer jewelry like shell necklaces and beaded baubles for an extraordinary resort-ready look. Dress with a bag, one-and-done dresses that require little thought. Finish with a straw bag for the ultimate relaxed vacation vibe. Top and bottom set plus basket bag. Dreamy kaftans or beach pants like this crochet set. Elevated matching sets take you from one daytime activity to the next. Dress with a bag and a hat. Items like a straw hat and beach cover-up provide sun protection. Accessories like woven slides and a practical beach bag elevate your vacation mode. Maxi dress with sandals and a bag. Lightweight dresses for a relaxed vacation mindset. Black dresses transition from beach to bar with a few key accessory swaps. Top with a skirt. Two-piece sets in any color for a no-fuss approach to vacation dressing. Matching sets ooze sophistication while prioritizing comfort. Linen top with a skirt. Easy breezy linen looks like button-ups, dresses, and skirts. Perfect for lazy beach days, paired with a bikini top and a silk scarf. White dress and a basket bag. White dresses exude a carefree attitude. Perfect for beach bars. A blank canvas for any summer accessory, like a festive beach tote or sleek sandals. Tank top with pants and sandals. Monochromatic all-white outfits during summer. White linen pants and a simple tank are timeless. Linen pants and a breast-style bikini top create a chic look. Perfect for transitioning from beach to bar with ease. Prints on prints. Stay comfortable with a boldly printed matching set. Perfect for vacation and great for Instagram, providing multiple outfit possibilities. Flowy separates. Elevate a white tank with a floral skirt and chunky accessories like a black belt or cowboy boots. Ideal for a night out. Updated beachwear. Swap your usual slip dress for a daring crochet midi dress. Perfect for after a day by the pool, embracing the sheer trend. Bold knitwear play with bold hues like green and blue. A crocheted skirt in a bright color is perfect for showcasing your tan and vacation vibes. Upgraded basics. Refresh summer classics with a white maxi dress, chunky sandals, and an elevated beach bag. Ideal for a stylish yet comfortable look. Fresh denim neutrals. Longer Bermuda-style white denim shorts paired with neutral staples create a chic look. Add a lightweight woven bag for a vacation feel. Oversized layers. Combine an oversized printed shirt with a white tank and wide leg baggy jeans for an easy, stylish outfit. Perfect for casual, effortless dressing. Modern classics. A black sleeve dress with lace details teamed with trendy mesh flats. Perfect for a feminine and trendy vacation look. Matching bright. Go for a summer dress in your favorite color and match it with accessories in the same hue. Comfortable shoes like Birkenstocks are great for walking. Light sweater weather. Layer a lightweight summer sweater over an all-white ensemble. Perfect for coastal vacations where it gets cooler at night. Now you know how to create a vacation wardrobe that's both stylish and practical. These outfits will ensure you look great and feel comfortable, no matter where your travels take you.